What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ricky Ross, back with another video. I'm going to jump straight into this video. So if you're thinking about doing any online-based business, it doesn't matter if it's Amazon, if it's Shopify, or even having it on your own website, the basic skills of knowing how to copy and paste on a Windows PC is very crucial. So in this tutorial, I show you how to copy and paste. It's an easy step. So I just wanted to make a quick video so you can pretty much know how to do it on the fly. Okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate everybody out there who's been watching my video. I offer Amazon FBA Germany mentorship. If you're interested, my email will be in the link down below. Okay. So now we're going to jump right straight into the video.
Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to copy and paste using your keyboard and mouse. In this video, we'll cover the process on a German, US, and UK keyboard, and also how to do it with a mouse on a Windows PC. Let's start with a German keyboard, which is slightly different from others in terms of layout. To copy using a German keyboard, first highlight the text or item you want to copy. Then, hold down the STRG key, which stands for Steuerung, the German equivalent of control. While holding it down, press the C key. This will copy the selected item. Next, to paste, position your cursor where you want to place the copied text or item. Again, hold down the STRG key and press V, and that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted with a German keyboard. Now, let's move on to the US keyboard. It's quite simple and straightforward. To copy, just highlight the desired text or file. Then, press the CTRL key, which is short for Control, and while holding it down, press the C key. The selected item is now copied to your clipboard. To paste, go to where you want to paste the item. Press the Control key again, and while holding it down, press V, and you're done. Next up is the UK keyboard, which is almost identical to the US keyboard, except for a few key placements. To copy on a UK keyboard, simply highlight the text or item you want. Then, press the CTRL key, just like on the US keyboard, and while holding it down, press C. To paste, once again hold the CTRL key and press VI. The copied content is now pasted where you need it. Now, let's see how you can copy and paste using a mouse on a Windows PC. 1. Start by highlighting the text or selecting the file you want to copy. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the text, or click once on the file to select it. 2. Right-click on the highlighted text or the selected file. A context menu will appear. From this menu, click on Copy. 3. Now, go to where you want to paste the copied item. Right-click in the desired location and, from the context menu, select Paste. And that's how you copy and paste on different keyboards and with a mouse on a Windows PC. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.